Hi again, I'm Eric Sykes with another very easy guitar lesson for you. I'm going to talk about the guitar itself just a little bit, and these are things you should know for communication reasons if nothing else. Okay, this is the body of the guitar, this is the neck of the guitar, this is called the headstock, and these are the tuning keys. Okay, get yourself a tuner or someone who knows how to tune a guitar. Don't mess around with it. It's very important to keep it in tune. Obviously you have your strings and you have the sound hole. Okay, for the most part you play right above that. Now, this is string number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Get that memorized. You want to think small string, small number. This is string 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the strings have note names or letter names, whatever you want to call it. You want to memorize that as well. You want to be able to talk about your guitar with other people, be able to explain things properly. So, string 1, E, B, G, D, A, E. Memorize that. You have a high E and a low E. Get all that memorized. Now, the metal bumps on the neck, those are called frets. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. Certain guitars have certain different numbers of frets at times. The way you play the actual notes on the guitar, take your thumb, put it behind the neck, straight up in towards the sky, straight up towards the ceiling, not like this, straight up towards the ceiling. Okay, so here's finger 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, on string 1, right before the fret, not on top of the fret. Hear that? That's called muting. You don't want that sound. You want to go right before the fret. Try to get as close as you can. That gives you the better sound. If you're too far away, you don't get a good sound either. So right before the fret, not on top. A real easy way to practice that, go to roughly fret 5. It doesn't really matter which fret you're on, but and practice what I call the 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't fix mistakes. Don't worry about it. You can do this on all strings or just 1 or 2. 2, 3, 4. You're also practicing rhythm. The most important thing in music, rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get a little better at that, get some muscle strength in the hand, go a little quicker, you can down up pick. Now this is not musical by any means, it's rhythmic and it gets you started. You got to build up some calluses on your fingers. Once you've gone all the way forward about 5 times, whatever, do it like 3 to 5 times a day, every single day. Backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And do it again and again and again. Down up picking, very important. Now, do the best you can with this. This takes a little time to get used to it. There's coordination involved, there's muscles, there's time involved. You've got to find the time to do this. But anyway, learn your strings, learn your parts, do this little exercise. Nice and slowly. I shouldn't have gone so fast. Etc., etc. Once you've done all that, go to the next video. Thanks.